Okay, I'm calling it quits for real this time. I ran out of cardboard. I gotta go get the hose, I guess. I could just weigh these down. I've got enough bricks up here. I've got that part weighed down. I just need like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bricks or so, 7. Or I could just put this wood on top. And these boards, I already have a purpose for those. They came from that little spool table that was here. It had broken apart, but the sides were pretty decent. So I'm going to repurpose those for a project that I have in mind. I need to get into the shed. I'm scared to look in there. It's been just sitting for years. Probably has mice in there and who knows what else, but I think I'll leave that for someone else to do. But I'm done for today. I cleared off most of this old broken down decomposed mulch that was here. That can be part of my compost bin, one of my new ones. Or like the leaf holder, I can make it hold the leaves. And yep, that's it for right now. I got rid of those bags that were here and used them as filler. And there's a bunch of stuff over here that I could use too. But I'm gonna need hugelkultur material. So I'm gonna probably just leave that pile of bark and stuff there for that purpose. I really need to do something about the tree. I really need to do something about the tree stump. Anyway, I am done for the day. I have a mess to clean up. Looks like I have a mess down there too. I'm not worrying about these leaves right now. They'll just be here. And I'll leave the wheelbarrow up here too. No, I better take it down for when I need to get more boxes. Anyway, that's it, guys. It's coming along. If I move these to hold that down, I'm not lifting those. Those things are heavy.